How well do you know VS Code? Even if you're an experienced developer, I bet there are some things that I can show you that you never knew were possible in Visual Studio Code. As a developer, understanding how to properly use your code editor is just as important as knowing a programming language. But when you look at all of the courses out there, most of them skip right over the code editor and they just assume that you already know it or you could figure it out on your own. Well, code editor education also tends to be overlooked by employers, assuming that you can figure it out. But most developers can improve their code editing skills and get more out of their editor. So get your employer to invest in your learning or invest in yourself to improve your quality, speed, and efficiency of your code writing skills. Do you want to code faster? Do you want to code more efficiently? Do you want to code more accurately? Do you want to become a VS Code superhero? VS Code is full of so many helpful tools that most developers underutilize. Do you know how to effectively use multiple cursors to edit multiple lines with ease? Do you know how to quickly select multiple occurrences or even all occurrences of a word? Do you know how to use snippets to speed up repetitive boilerplate code? How about all of the cool things that you can do with Emmet? Or how about refactoring code with a single click? And I haven't even mentioned the built-in command palette, which is like a control center for every command you can use. Now, all of this is built right into VS Code, and if there's something else that you need, that's when you reach to the plethora of extensions that are available, like Live Server, Multiple Cursor Case Preserve, Thunder Client, Turbo Console Log, Template String Converter, and many, many more. If you want to learn more about these things plus a ton more, let me introduce you to my VS Code SuperHero course. I first launched this course back in 2020, and since then I've helped thousands of developers better understand how to use VS Code effectively. Now I'm relaunching the course and it's been completely updated. I also had the landing page redesigned, and I have to thank Adrian Twarg for this. He did an amazing job with the design, and now I'm not a designer at all. So if you want to learn more about UI UX design, be sure to go check out his YouTube channel. There's a link in the description. And my goal for this course is to help you understand what VS Code can do for you and all of its features. And again, this course isn't just for beginners. Even seasoned developers will learn things that will improve their code quality, efficiency, and speed. In this course, we'll go over the basic setup and configuration of VS Code. I'll walk you step by step through the installation, and we'll configure it for web development. Then for the more advanced stuff, I'll show you some cool tips and tricks along with how to use some of the built-in features like Git integration, debugging, the terminal, Emmet, working with Docker and containers, and much more. We'll also look at all of the extensions that will make your life easier. So what's included? Well, besides all of the modules, you'll get access to my exclusive STACKr code font, my codeSTACKr VS Code theme, cheat sheets for keyboard shortcuts and Git commands, my SuperHero extensions pack, which has all of my recommended extensions, my personal VS Code settings, and lifetime updates to the course. There are 3 options. If you like to learn by reading, get the ebook. It comes in light and dark mode, and it's a more concise version of the course. Or if you're a visual learner, get the videos. It's over 2.5 hours of extended learning. But if you want both, get the popular bundle. So what's your time worth? Let's say your time is worth $100 an hour. I can guarantee you that after this course, if you implement what you learn, you're going to shave at least 15 minutes off of your coding time per day. That's 65 hours a week or $6,500 a year. So this course is going to pay for itself within the first week. Now, VS Code does monthly updates. So you might think, won't this course get outdated quickly? Well, as it evolves, I'm going to update the course just like I'm doing now, and you're going to get lifetime access to this course and all future updates. I think that everyone can benefit from this course, but don't take my word for it. There are testimonials here from some trusted names in the industry, so check out what they had to say. I hope this course helps you out. That's going to be it for this video. Like this video to help me out, and subscribe if you haven't already for more great web development videos.